Hey guys, you probably have a bread maker sitting somewhere in your kitchen, tucked away collecting dust. If you do, this is your sign to pull it out, because making your own bread at home is one of the simplest ways to start taking control of your food. Today, I'm making a simple breakfast bread using real everyday ingredients. Let me show you how. And here's my favorite part. You can set this up the night before and wake up to fresh, warm loaf of bread ready to go. No additives, no unnecessary ingredients. You have control. I'll leave the full recipe in the caption below so you could try it for yourself. And remember, small steps done consistently, that's how you build wellness. I'll see you in the next one.